Winston meets Rudy. Oh, Winston's not happy. Rudy's making friends. See Rudy's head going up and down?
How excited you are.
That make me a pussy?
No, it makes you a man and a very handsome one. And what's this shit?
I don't know. Eat?
Hey, I don't know when to touch this.
Winston?
You don't?
Winston?
Your mom's?
Winston? No fighting. No fighting. No fighting.
He's not squawking at him.
Mark, why'd you put on 67?
No fighting. Yeah, look at that. It's exciting to...
Where's Liz?
Exciting.
Liz
Alright.
went out with Liz Barron.
Hey. Hey, exciting, isn't it?
Winston's gonna take him apart.
I don't know.
Okay, hey guys,
all right.
no fighting. Guys, no fighting. No fighting.
Winston.
No
it ain't
fighting.
Rudy.
No fighting, Winston. No fighting, right? he wants this thing, right?
Hey, it's your own girlfriend. Mr. Witt, did you get your...
Let go of the thing.
Some of them like... Some.
Winston. No fighting. No fighting.
How you know Rudy's a male?
Terrible mistake. She said yesterday actually...
Oh,
Alright, Rudy, let go. Rudy, let go. Come here, step up.
Oh, God.
Hey, yeah. Yeah.
Mark, can you
Yeah.
Mom? You're right up here. Come here.
No fighting.
Man, this
No
is not a
fighting.
good idea. Let them get used to each other.
Mark, would you come here? Up,
Rudy,
come here.
get out the camera.
Mark,
What?
come here, fast.
Kill Monster.
Hi, Winston.
No, come here. Come here.
Hi, Mr. Winston.
Come here.
Get out the camera.